Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischtechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand, entirely made of fischtechnik. Last time I ended with a full test of the arm, with these supports removed, and I was busy with replacing one of those LEDs. I didn't finish it, so it's a while ago and I have to test now which one of those still doesn't work. And then I'm talking about the LEDs in the far end. These LEDs here on the front have to be tested as well. They're rather cluttered, and to avoid electronic problems I have to declutter them. Anyway, let's see how things work out. While hoping that the neighbor's dog keeps quiet, let's try with the interface open whether the LEDs respond here. And yes, I still have to declutter these LEDs for a moment. Alright, but it's about these LEDs. So thumb is working. Then the index finger doesn't do much, if anything, so that's a problem. Middle finger is working, without a doubt. Then the ring finger is working, and the little finger is working. So only the index finger, this one, still has to be replaced. Good to know, and I'll have to do that. And this is a little tricky because there's a very short wire that should be inserted as well. And then it seems that just another LED is not functional, strangely enough. Question is, why? Let's change this to just another interface. That works. This one works, but no LED. This one works. This one and this one. But the index finger, no result, while electrically it does work. And with that I replace this one. So I'm not done replacing. And to test whether or not it is the LED, I have here a power supply. So I put in the wire on one end and the resistor on the other end. And I'm going to test. And then, to my surprise, this one does work. Okay, wrong to pick it up. So this one does work and this one doesn't. And this means that while it is mounted like this, the LED is turned the other way around. So I need to change this and then it will work. Right, so I turned the LED around. And now I just have to fix some wires. Now the fingers are signaled. Time for the valves. And those are these LEDs for. And they can be well activated by these buttons. So that is one. This one doesn't do. And here is one that is audibly correct, but no LED is going. That one is clearly. That one is clear as well. That one as well. How many LEDs do I have? 5. How many volts do I have? 5. So once again, 1. Dit doesn't do. Right. That means that number 2, whichever one this is, I have to find it out in the source code, is output 5. This one is good. This one is good. And this one is good. So which one is output 5? And that is set output. So I might be quicker if I search for set output 5. Right. Set output is digital 1. But that doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all because output. Oh, that does make sense, by the way. Then, but there are only 2 of them involved. But this is all fingers. So that's a bit strange. But set output 5 is clearly for this one. And output 5 has to be replaced then. And before going on, it is good to know which one is which. So this is 3, 5, and 7, 6 and 8. So it is this green one that is not responding. And now the question is the LED broken or is it with the wrong polarity? Like the last one. And that is something that has to be determined first. And then it turns out that it works anyway after all. Because I'm touching the wire. And it does work. So there's probably some wiring error here at hand. Because, yeah, it just works. So nothing to be replaced, nothing to be checked anymore. And that's it, I think, for now. Let's check the whole thing once again, see whatever happens. So first I have to disable the diagnostics interface. And having done that, let me run everything. And hopefully things work out. dusty or not dusty, everything should work out mechanically and electrically. And will it survive a transport? Let's hope so, because those are bottlenecks as well. And for now I have taken a lot of time fixing the LEDs right here, obviously, which doesn't mean that everything else is working perfectly, unfortunately, because I know there are still flaws. Anyway, I'll let it be right now, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron, and you can follow me via Twitter and Instagram. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, and this is of course going to be continued. Bye.